Hello human bodies. Welcome to Abstergo TV. I'm King Halder, your teacher. So, today I'm gonna teach you how to fix Google Play service error in Phoenix OS, or how to update Google Play service in Phoenix OS. So without wasting any time, let's start. At first open this link from the description menu and click on I'm not a robot capture. A pop-up window may appear, and you have to choose whether to allow or not. Just long press on allow button or not allow button. Then click on click here to continue, then it will redirect you to its next page. Now wait for a few seconds and then click on get link button as shown in this video. Then it will open a new page of Google Play service. Now scroll down a bit and you will see a heading called all version. There just click the first option, which is always the latest version. Now scroll down a bit and there you will see many version of Google Play service. You need to select the version which have architecture is x86 and screen DPI is not P. After clicking on it, you will see a big red download button. Click on it and your download will start automatically. File size is 46 MB. After the download is complete, now let's install it. So you can see, Google Play service is successfully updated to its latest version. Now it have fixed all the issues related to Google Play service. Such as, I will show you, that YouTube app is running without any problem. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to support this poor YouTuber. And you can dislike this video if it was not helpful for you, but I know it will help you. So see you in our next video. Until then, goodbye my dear human. This is Abstergo TV, signing out.